In charge of a solar farm? Want to reduce your maintenance costs? Not getting the ROI you expected? Introducing Solar Spy, an AI data-driven SaaS platform designed to transform solar operations. Utilizing artificial intelligence and machine learning allows to analyze plant efficiency and maximize production, provide accurate energy forecasts, reduce maintenance costs to minimum, extend installations' lifetimes. The Solar Spy platform supports the work of investors, helping to effectively run the PV farm and prepare reliable documentation for filing warranty claims. EPCs, to avoid delivering underperforming projects and potential penalty fees, as well as secure asset handover with detailed supporting data. Asset management companies, providing a ready overview of all maintenance activities with prioritized recommendations. O&M service providers, helping to initiate cost-effective maintenance work. Get all your PV data in one place. Meet Solar Spy's 3 innovative solutions: PV Copilot, forecasting, and inspections. PV Copilot. This solution brings AI-powered assessments and anomaly insights for a better understanding of production issues. See how different events and malfunctions impact your operations. Take the right actions to maximize production and get your budget back on track. You get continuous analysis of performance losses, optimized service costs, automated reporting of O&M activities, improved installation safety and reliability. Forecasting. This solution gives accurate energy production forecasts, even up to 10 days ahead. Our AI algorithms use multiple data sets to generate the most reliable production forecasts. You get reliable energy production forecasts, fully automated DNO reporting, easy integrate with external systems, reduced balancing costs. Inspections. This solution gathers data from high-tech drone assessments for fast and precise defect detection. See the exact defect classification, location, and production loss to better manage staff for repairs and shutdowns. You get verified plant condition and production efficiency, prioritized repair recommendations, optimized service costs, documentation for warranty claims, and asset valuation. By integrating all 3 of these services into one platform, you can expect to get a completely new depth of data analytics and insights. The Solar Spy platform provides vital information to cover all the needs of an installation's lifecycle, including acceptance and commissioning inspections with pre-pack monitoring, AI-powered performance analysis and diagnostics during the exploitation period, insights as part of periodical maintenance inspections, forecasting energy production, inspections during the final warranty period, and when taking over or selling a solar installation. This is what our clients have to say about us. Get all your PV performance, inspection, and forecasting data on one platform. Benefit from actionable insights with prioritized maintenance recommendations. Contact us today to find out more